Yes, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back you all in a mathematics class. As you all know that we are on the chapter number 7, linear equation in one variable. Right? In this chapter I have already discussed with you exercise 7.1 in the last classes. Now today I am going to start a new exercise 7.2. Right? Come to the first question. 3 times the number decreased by 9 is equal to the 3 less than the 5 times the number. Find the number. Question said that 3 times the number है वो decrease हो रहा है किससे 9 से. वो किसके equal है is equal to 3 less than the 5 times the number से. Right? Now find the number. You have to find the number. First of all, let us assume let the number be x. Right? नंबर को हम x assume कर लेंगे. Then 3 times a number decreased by 9 is equivalent to the 3 times the number is 3x and it is decreased by 9. Right? Now 3 less than 5 times the number. It is equivalent to the 5 times the number is 5x and it is decreased by 3. 3 से decrease हो रहा है. Now according to the question 3x minus 9 is equivalent to the 5x minus 3. Now you have to find the number. Shift x term on one side 3x. When I shift the 5x from LHS to the RHS it will become negative minus 5x. Minus 3. When I shift the minus 9 from LHS to the RHS it will become positive plus 9. So 3x minus 5x is equivalent to the minus 2x. Equivalent to the minus 3 plus 9 is plus 6. So x is equivalent to the 6 upon minus 2. In LHS minus 2 is a multiplication में. When I shift it to the RHS it changes to the division. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 3, 6. X is equivalent to the 3 upon minus 1, or we can say that minus 3. Is that clear? Now the number is minus 3. Clear? I hope it is clear to all of you. Now come to the question number 2. The sum of two consecutive multiples of 3 is 81. Find the multiples. Now the question said that the sum of two consecutive multiples of 3 is 81. Find the multiples. Now you have to find the multiples. First of all, question may arise in your mind. What are consecutive multiples? Consecutive multiples means जो one after other आता means एक के बाद दूसरा. Let the two consecutive number be x and x plus 1. Right? These are the two consecutive multiples. Now the question say that multiples of 3 होना चाहिए वो. The two consecutive multiples of 3 be 3x and 3x plus 1. Right? Is that clear? अगर 4 के मल्टीपल्स कहता है कॉन्जिक्यूटिव तो 4x एंड 4x प्लस 1 हो जाता. अगर 2 से ज्यादा कहता है 3 कहता है तो x प्लस 2 हो जाएगा, x प्लस 3, x प्लस 4 जितने कहते हैं तो वैसे बन जाते हैं नंबर्स कॉन्जिक्यूटिव. राइट? नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन 3x plus 1 is equivalent to the 81. Right? So 3x plus 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Equivalent to the 81. Right? 3x plus 3x is 6x plus 3. Equivalent to the 81. So 6x is equivalent to the 81 minus 3. 6x is equivalent to the 78. So x is equivalent to the 78 upon 6. Right? In LHS 6 multiplication में था. When I shift it to the RHS, it changes to a division. 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. So x is equivalent to the 13. Right? Now, the two consecutive multiples निकालने हैं ना अपने 3 के. 3x is equivalent to the 3 multiplied by 13 is equivalent to the 13 3 is 39. 3x plus 1 is equivalent to the 13 plus 1 equivalent to the 3 14. So 3 multiplied by 14 is equivalent to the 12 42. Right? 14 3 is 42. So the multiples are 39 and 42. देखो अब दोनों के बीच डिफरेंस भी कितना है. 42 minus 39 is 3 और मल्टीपल्स भी आ गए 3 के. Right? I hope it is clear to all of you. Now come to the question number 3. In question number 3, 7 added to the thrice a number gives 25 upon 3. Find the number. Question said that 7 added to the thrice a number and it gives 25 upon 3. You have to find the number. First of all, assume let the number be x. Right? Now 7 added to thrice a number. Thrice means 3 times a number. It is equivalent to the 3x plus 7. Right? Now, according to the question, 3x plus 7 is equivalent to the 25 upon 3. Right? Now, solve this equation. 3x is equivalent to the 25 upon 3. When I shift this 7 from LHS to the RHS, it changes into the negative. Right? Now, 3x is equal to the, take the LCM of 3 and 1. LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. 3 के टेबल में 3 कब आता है 1 जा तो 25 1 जा 25 माइनस 3 के 1 के टेबल में 3 कब आता है 3 जा तो 7 3 जा 21. Right? 3x is equal to the 25 minus 21 is 4 upon 3. Now, x is equal to the 4 upon 3. When I shift this 3 from LHS to the RHS, it changes into division because 3 is a multiplication in LHS. Right? Multiply by 3 is equal to the 4 upon 9. So, x is equal to the 4 upon 9. Right? So, the number is 4 upon 9. Yes, students, I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, come to the question number 4. In question number 4, 25 less than 7 times a number is equal to 45. Find the number. 25 is less than the 7 times a number is equal to the 45. You have to find the number. Right? Now, first of all, assume let the number be x. Right? So, 25 less than 7 times a number equivalent to the 7 times a number means 7x and less minus 25. Right? Now, according to the question, 7x minus 25 is equivalent to the 45. Right? 7x is equivalent to the 45. When I shift this minus 25 from LHS to the RHS, it changes into the positive plus 25. So 7x is equivalent to the 45 plus 25 is 50 70. Right? So x is equivalent to the 70 upon 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 10 is 70. X is equal to 10. Right? So the number is 10. Yes, students, I hope it is clear to all of you. Come to the question number 5. In question number 5, a number when added to its 3/4 gives 42. Right? Find the number. A number when added to its 3/4 gives 42. Find the number. First of all, assume, let the number be x, right? Now 3/4 of a number equivalent to the 3.4x. Is it clear? Now, according to the question, a number is added to 3/4 of a number. 3/4 of a number is 3.4x plus x. That is a number equivalent to the 42. Right? Now, solve this equation. Put 1 in denominator of x. Now take the LCM of 4 and 1. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 की टेबल में 4 कब आता है? 1 जा आता है, तो 3x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 is 3x प्लस 1 की टेबल में 4 कब आता है? 4 जा, 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय x is 4x equivalent to the 42. Right? 3x plus 4x is equivalent to the 7x upon 4 equivalent to the 42. Right? So x is equivalent to the 42. 4 in LHS, 4 is in division. When I shift it to the LHS, RHS, it changes into the multiplication. 7 in LHS, 7 multiplication में आपके पास, when I shift it to the RHS, it changes into division. Right? 42 multiplied by 4 upon 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 6 is 42. So x is equivalent to the 6 multiplied by 4, equivalent to the 6 4s are 24. Right? The number is 24. Yes, students, I hope it is clear to all of you.